How to fix Messenger white screen on Messenger. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go and open settings of your phone. And when it's opening, you have to go to apps or applications and you will go to search for Messenger. When you found Messenger, just open it like this. And you have to go to storage, go to clear data, click OK, go back and go to force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store or App Store and update Messenger again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you